me.
Okay?
Yeah? Scared the shit out of me.
Like that? Yeah.
Oh, curled into fetal position.
That's the right thing to do, brother.
I was like, oh, fucking heavy, but.